Is download quality not working properly on the Spotify app? If your downloaded songs sound lower quality than expected, the selected quality isn't being applied, or you can't find the download quality settings. These tips may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix download quality on Spotify app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Spotify, as you see here. In this page, you will move to profile. Here in this page of profile, you will find settings and privacy. Then in this list, you will find media quality. And here you will find download quality. You will find this in this page, and you can choose your download quality as you want. For example, high download. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.